Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be looking at Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. Just before we get in, this is an honest review video. There will be a link to the sales page in the description of the video. If you purchase the product through my link, I will receive a commission. However, my goal, as always, is to give you my honest opinion and to hopefully help you navigate the vast multitude of online income and affiliate marketing products that come out all the time. So I want to give you an honest review, not just hype something up. This is a mix of content and training. So the front end of this is really about all I want to talk about in this video. There will be some one-time offers available, but I really just want to focus on the front end of this product. This is going to give you a 14 email newsletter. So basically, you are going to get the content of these 14 emails, and that is going to reveal to you 15 free traffic sources. Now, there's no real video on this product, but there is a little audio clip here. It's about 3 minutes long, and one of the wonderful things that he does do is he at least mentions a few sources that he's not talking about. So these 15 traffic sources are not going to be YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, some of the overused, oversaturated markets where people just kind of gloss over your content a lot of the times, looking for other kind of untapped traffic sources, or at least less tapped traffic sources. And then you're also going to get the PLR, that is the private label rights for those newsletters, which means you can rebrand them and sell them yourself. You can pass the content of this product along and make money off of it yourself. You're also going to get what he calls an affiliate program black book. And this is basically going to be giving you a number of proven affiliate programs that you can jump on with right away and start. Basically, you can test out these traffic resources instantly by using these affiliate programs. You're also going to get an instructional video, and he's going to go through a few other things as well. Again, listen to the little audio clip. The nice thing about audio is that you can actually scroll through the rest of the page while you're listening to it. This is a very small sales page. In fact, that's the whole thing right there. So, free traffic resources, 14 autoresponder sequence, the affiliate program black book, how to use training video, SafeList Wizard. So six training videos that shows you how to start building email lists and then automate it. Official PLR license so you can sell the content of the emails. And down here we're actually going to see, he's actually going to give away the titles of 8 of those emails. So 4.2 million visitors a month. If you're just starting out, I'm sure that sounds really, really good. 3-step method for free traffic. 2 more sources of traffic for you. Free to any willing home. We like free. We like things that don't require us to pay additionally for the service. And the mystery social network. So I am going to say that this looks very good to me. By the way, the front end on this is $6. It's $5.99 US, which makes it very affordable just as a training product. It's not just a training product. Again, it's giving you a number of resources, and it's giving you a product that you have the PLR rights to, so you can turn around and you can sell it yourself. You're getting a lot in the front end. Like I said, I don't want to get into the upsells on this because it's giving you other things that are going to tack onto this, but there's nothing to unlock that's promised in the front end that you're going to have to pay extra for. You're going to get all this for $6. So Cam is a He's a seasoned affiliate marketer. He is a superstar vendor on Warrior Plus. And he is up front here. There's no refunds on non-training products that have PLR or personal use rights attached to them. So if you pick this up, you are not going to get a refund on the content of the emails because, I mean, frankly, I'm surprised that most people do offer, or so many people do offer money-back refunds on PLR because it's usually digital download. So once you buy it, you have it and you can't give it back. But it's $6 and you're going to get a lot out of this. So check out the links in the description. This is something that I think is going to benefit anybody, even if you don't use the emails to sell, you've got them to read through, to get training. If you want to do PLR marketing, it's a good place to get started with some of it, especially if you want to get into the traffic info marketplace. Check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you guys back here again soon.